Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Daniel, and today I want to just talk about what my channel is all about. So, just very quickly, I want to make this quick. This is me. My name is Daniel Telles. I lived in Mexico City, New York City, Quebec City, Montreal, New York, and also in Europe when I was younger. So because I grew up in Mexico City, I know firsthand how parts of the world have less opportunities than others. So I have this map right here of the developed world versus the developing world, right? And there's a lot of factors that go into what makes a developing country. It has to do with corruption, with government funds, GDP, human development, investment in factors like education, healthcare, medicine, things like that. But this is where I grew up in Mexico City. Uh, so when I studied abroad in Quebec City, I met this guy, Rodrigo from Brazil, and Andres, my roommate from Venezuela. So Rodrigo was from Brazil, Andres was from Venezuela, and all three of us, and there was also this girl, Ikram, from Algeria and Tunisia, and a bunch of other people, but mostly us four. We decided that they inspired me really because all four of us, right? So me from Mexico, Rodrigo from Brazil, Andres from Venezuela, and Ikram from Tunisia and Algeria. These guys, I talked with them. They became one of my closest friends. Andres is my best friend to this day. And all four of us, we decided that that we were not going to let anything stop us from living good lives. Because yes, I'm from Mexico, but I'm still living a good life. Rodrigo, yes, he is from Brazil. He's from Rio, but he still is living a good life. My friend Andres, he's from Caracas, the capital city of Venezuela, and he's living a fantastic life right now. He's killing it. And also with this girl, Ikram, she's from Algeria and Tunisia, and she's killing it right now in France. So the point of my channel is that I believe, right? I gotta change this to I believe, because I believe this, I really do. But the truth of the matter is that I believe that young adults can live good lives despite where they were born. So what I do is in this channel is I teach young adults, right? Specifically from developing countries. I don't want to, my advice, it's not really for American people. American people can listen. It's not for European people. It's for people in developing countries. Where? Latin America, Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. South Asia, India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, etc. Right? So I give financial advice, right? Developing countries. How to invest in stocks, eventually how to invest in real estate, how to get their credit score up, how to be financially free and stable. Because I am in my journey to financial freedom. I don't know everything. I'm still very young. I don't pretend to be an expert, but if I can just help one person, then I would be happy. And all I hope to do is to really share that advice that has helped me personally in my journey that I still am on. I'm still on this journey of financial freedom, but share what I know so far, what I've researched, because I invested a lot of time into this, and I give financial advice to people from developing countries. And every once in a while, I do interviews with my friends, Rodrigo from Brazil, Andres from Venezuela, Ikram from Tunisia. We kind of started this channel together. So everyone, the people who subscribe to my channel, they are fantastic people. They are young adults from developing countries who, like myself, who are dedicated to live good lives, avoid violence and war, as it often happens in Mexico and in Brazil and in Africa and in South Asia. Avoid violence, and be inspired by entrepreneurs, investors, right? Investors, etc. Right? So no violence. Learn how to be financially free. That's the whole mission. And in this channel, you'll see videos about stocks, you'll see videos about credit score, etc. But all focused on young adults in developing countries. Alright, so it's an overview of what this channel is all about. Basically, financial advice for young adults in developing countries. This is me, and these are my friends. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you guys got an idea of what this whole channel is about. Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, okay? Have a great day. I hope you get a good day.